Alright. If you happen to smell mold smelling around your washing machine, set that thing on the highest load there is and put 2 cups of Chlorox in that water. Okay? You let it start agitating a little bit, and let it agitate for about 10 minutes, and then open the lid and let it sit there for about 30 minutes. Then close the lid and let it finish out. What that's going to do, that's going to disinfect your washing machine. It'll take care of all of your mold problems. And then if there's any mold in your outgoing line, there'll be enough pressure on that going by with that much Chlorox in it. I mean, just pour, when you first start, water going in, you just pour right out of the jug. Just estimate about two cups of bleach directly in the water. Let the water be going in as it's going. Okay? Let it agitate. And then open it up about 10 minutes. Open the trap door on it for about 10 minutes. Then close it and let it finish doing its thing. No clothes in there at all, just the Chlorox. And you won't be smelling any kind of mold in there anymore. One main reason that you smell mold in there is, see how that lid's closed? If you leave your washing machine closed, it's going to develop a mold in there. If you leave that door open, it's a whole lot less likely to do that. Alright, y'all like and subscribe. Hit the bell, make comments. This General. I'm out.